Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use the split screen effect on TikTok. Actually, TikTok provides its users with various video effects. One of these effects is called split screen effect. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Log into TikTok, click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now record a video or upload the one from your camera roll, so press on the gallery icon on the right. Choose the video you would like to post on TikTok. Hit the next button. One more time, tap next. Once the editing page opens, click on the effects icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, find the split section and click on it. Now move the pointer on the video timeline to the point where you would like the effect to start. Tap and hold on the split effect you would like to use. After that, hit the save icon in the top right corner of the screen. Keep in mind that you can also apply filters, insert stickers, emojis, or write something on your video if you want. Once your video is ready, hit the next button. The only thing left to do is to post your video. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use the split screen effect on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.